Dear students, see the question number 31. Read the question and write it. The question is integral sin power 10x divided by cos power 12x into dx is equals to. Let us find this. Integral sin power 10x divided by cos power 12x into dx. This is equals to integral sin power 10x divided by cos power 12x can be written as cos power 10x into cos square x into dx. This is equals to integral sin power 10x divided by cos power 10x is tan power 10x into 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x into dx. Here put tan x is equals to t. Now differentiating on both sides, differentiation of tan x is secant square x into dx is equals to dt. Now integration becomes integral tan power 10x, tan x is equals to t, so here t power 10 secant square x into dx is equals to dt. This is equals to integration of t power 10 is t power 10 plus 1, that is 11 divided by 11 plus c. This is equals to, here t is equals to tan x, here we substitute t equals to tan x, we get tan power 11x divided by 11 plus c. Therefore, the answer is option B. Dear students, see the question number 32. Read the question and write it. The question is integral secant inverse x whole power 7 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx is equals to. Options are 1 by 7 into secant inverse of x whole power 7 plus c, 1 by 8 into secant inverse x whole power 8 plus c, minus 1 by 8 into secant inverse x whole power 8 plus c, 7 into secant inverse x whole power 6 plus c. Let us find this. Integral secant inverse x whole power 7 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Here put secant inverse x is equals to t. Now differentiating on both sides, we get differentiation of secant inverse x is 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx is equals to dt. Now integration becomes integral secant inverse x whole power 7, that is secant inverse x is equals to t, so t power 7 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to dt. This equals to integration of t power 7 is t power 8 by 8 plus c. This equals to, here t is equals to secant inverse x, so secant inverse x whole power 8 divided by 8 plus c. Therefore, the answer is option B. Dear students, say the question number 33. Read the question and write it. The question is, if dy by dx is equals to x and y is equals to 1 by 2, when x is equals to 0, then y is. Options are x square plus 1, 1 by 2 x square, 1 by 2 into x square plus 1, 1 by 2 into x square minus 1. Let us find this. Given dy by dx is equals to x, now taking integration on both sides with respect to x, we get integral dy by dx into dx is equals to integral x into dx. This implies integral here dx get cancelled, integral dy is equals to integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. That implies integral dy is y is equals to x square by 2 plus c. Given y is equals to 1 by 2 when x is equals to 0. Now substitute x equals to 0 and y equals to 1 by 2 in this. We get 1 by 2 is equals to, here x equals to 0, 0 by 2, 0 plus c. This implies c is equals to 1 by 2. Now y is equals to, here x square by 2 plus c is 1 by 2. This implies y is equals to, in these two terms 1 by 2 is common, x square plus 1. Therefore the answer is option C. Dear students, see the question number 34. Read the question and write it. The question is integral dx by 4x square plus 1 is equals to. Options are 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2x plus c, tan inverse 2x plus c, 1 by 4 into tan inverse 2x plus c, 2 into tan inverse 2x plus c. Let us find this. Integral dx by 4x square plus 1 is equals to integral dx by, here taking 4 as common, 4 into x square plus 1 by 4. This equals to, here 1 by 4 is constant, integral 1 by x square plus 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square into dx. This equals to 1 by 4 into, it is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx. Here a is equals to 1 by 2. Now applying this formula here, 1 by a, that is 1 by 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a, that is x by 1 by 2 plus c. This equals to 2 by 4 into tan inverse of 2x plus c. This equals to 2 ones, 2 twos are 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2x plus c. Therefore the answer is option A. Dear students, see the question number 35. Read the question and write it. The question is integral dx by 9x square minus 4 is equals to. Let us find this. Integral dx by 9x square minus 4 is equals to integral dx by, here taking 9 as common, 9 into x square minus 4 by 9. This equals to, here 1 by 9 is constant, integral 1 by x square minus 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square into dx. This equals to 1 by 9 into, here the integral is of the form integral 1 by x square minus a square into dx. Now applying this formula here, a is equals to 2 by 3, 1 by 2a, that is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into log of mod x minus a by x plus a, that is x minus 2 by 3 divided by x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Here 3 ones, 3 threes are, this equals to 1 by 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12 into log of modulus, here LCM is 3, 3x minus 2 by 3 divided by, here also LCM is 3, 3x plus 2 by 3 plus c. This equals to 1 by 12 into log of mod, here 3 3 get cancelled, 3x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2 plus c. Therefore, the answer is option A.